Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to go back to a technique that we did a long time ago, which was the simplest technique of all. Meaning what I did call the Siqueiros technique. For those who don't know Siqueiros, he was a great painter, I think in the 50s. He did everything from abstract to realism. He specialized in historical painting. But the guy, I call him the father of pouring, since he was the one who asked some people who could tell him why there was such a reaction between different colors. Of course, now we know it's because of the molecules. But at that time, he didn't know, and he did want to know why. So, in fact, he is the father of pouring. So, I think it's nice. That's why I think that we can have as much of a good result using the simplest technique of it all to do a pouring, meaning just water and our acrylic. That's it, and that's all. You don't need more. Of course, if you want to have more cells, if you want to have cells at all, you're going to use silicone. That's for sure. So if you want cells, well, just add silicones to it. But I'm just going to show you, like we did before, just using the simplest way to do a pouring can be a very nice way. So let's go and try it, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. guys, I hope you're going to agree that the result is very nice. I think it's one of the nicest results. Of course, like I said before, if you like cells, you have to add silicone to it or some white glue even. It does the job, and it does a great job. To have smaller cells, you use white glue. But of course, I hope you're going to agree with me that this way of doing things only with water with our acrylic does a very good job. I think it's very nice. The fact that we did a dirty pouring, it helps. Of course it helps. But you can see that the lines are more defined that way. I think it's very nice. I think this way, like I said, it's a simple way, but the result is great and sometimes unexpected. Like I said, of course, again, if you want some cells, just add silicone, but that's it. You don't have to. It depends on your taste. It's always subjective in art. It depends on what you like or not. So guys, I hope you're gonna try it, because sometimes people go overboard trying every kind of products and everything. And just to show you that the Siqueiros technique, for me, it's one of the greatest, because the result is there. It's nice, and you don't go overhead with any kind of product. So guys, thanks for being here. Don't forget to join us on Facebook and Instagram. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Okay guys.